Charmin Ultra Soft Cushiony Touch Toilet Paper. Charmin Ultra Soft Cushiony Touch. Toilet paper is a top-notch product that guarantees a luxurious bathroom experience. With over 10 years of writing experience and product reviews, I can confidently say that this toilet paper is a game-changer in the industry. What sets Charmin Ultra Soft Cushiony Touch Toilet Paper apart from its competitors is its remarkable absorbency. It is designed to efficiently absorb moisture, ensuring a clean and dry experience with every use. Whether you are wrapping it around your hand or using it directly, you can trust that it will do its job effectively. One of the key features that make this toilet paper stand out is its clog-safe nature. We all know how frustrating it is to deal with toilet paper clogs. With Charmin Ultra Soft Cushiony Touch Toilet Paper, you can bid farewell to such annoyances. It is specially formulated to be gentle on your plumbing while still delivering excellent performance. With every use. Whether you are wrapping it around your hand or using it directly, you can trust that it will do its job effectively.